Chapter number 3, Polynomials, exercise 3.3, second question. What is the question? You need to read it carefully. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. The thing is, we need to make a quadratic polynomial and given sum and product of its zeros. As we know that, what is the standard form of the quadratic polynomial? As we know that, standard form of quadratic polynomial is p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is the standard form of the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial in the sense it has two zeros. A polynomial whose zeros are two zeros. I mean it has two zeros. Quadratic polynomial has two zeros. They are alpha and beta respectively. So from this we understood that a quadratic polynomial has two zeros. They are alpha and beta. And it is given numbers as sum. What is the number here? 1 by 4, which is sum. As we know that sum means alpha plus beta is given 1 by 4. And the second one is product. Product is given minus 1. Product in the sense alpha beta equal to minus 1. Try to understand the question properly. With the given numbers as the sum and product. Sum in the sense alpha plus beta. I mean sum of the zeros alpha plus beta. Product of the zeros alpha beta. So alpha plus beta equal to 1 by 4 and alpha beta equal to minus 1. Then how to make a quadratic polynomial? So the formula is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. If the given numbers have sum and product, then how to make a quadratic polynomial? The formula for making a quadratic polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Right? So x square minus x into, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta in the sense 1 by 4 plus alpha beta in the sense minus 1 is equal to 0. Got it? So here x square minus x into 1 x by 4 plus into minus 1 is equal to 0. Here nothing in the sense 1. Here also nothing in the sense 1. What is the LCM of 1, 4 and 1? The LCM of 1, 4, 1 is 4. 1 4s are 4. I mean into 4 into 4. Next 4 1s are 4 into 1 into 1. 1 4s are 4 into 4 into 4. Got it? So 4 into x square, 4x square minus x into 1 x minus 1 into 4, 4 is equal to 0. Cross multiplication. So that is 4x square minus x minus 4 equal to 0. See, we got a quadratic polynomial. You can also see this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Got it? Understood how to make a quadratic polynomial with the given numbers as sum and product. Okay? Let us explain one more question, that is second one, so that you will understand more clearly. So the second question is root 2 comma 1 by 3. So the question is root 2 comma 1 by 3. I mean, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta equal to given number root 2 as sum, right? Alpha plus beta equal to root 2. Alpha beta equal to 1 by 3. Substitute. So we have the formula to make a quadratic polynomial. X square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Got it? So x square minus x into what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to root 2 plus what is alpha beta? As it is given alpha beta value 1 by 3 equal to 0. Yes, students, here nothing means 1. Here also 1. Here 3 is there. So let us find out the LCM of 1, 3, which is equal to 3. 1 3s are 3 into 3 into 3. Here also 1 3s are 3 into 3 into 3. Here 3 1s are 3 into 1 into 1. So 3 into x square, 3x square minus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2, and we have x here plus 1 1 is equal to 0. So cross multiplication. So 3x square minus 3 root 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0 into 3. 0 into 3, 0 only. Got it? So 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0 into 3, 0. See, it is in the form of now ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We got in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. Coming to third one, given sum and product are 0 comma root 5. 0 comma root 5. Let us find out a quadratic polynomial. Given numbers as sum, alpha plus beta is equal to 0. Alpha beta is given root 5. How to make a quadratic polynomial? We have the formula x square minus x into alpha plus beta value how much? 0 plus alpha beta value how much? Root 5 equal to 0. So x into 0, 0. So no need of writing this term because it is 0 only, plus root 5 equal to 0. So x square minus 0, x square plus root 5 equal to 0. Got it? So if you are confusing, you can write like this also. X square minus 0 into x plus root 5 equal to 0. You can see which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay? Whether you write 0 into x or if you will not write also, there is no problem at all. We can also write it as x square plus root 5 equal to 0. Got it? Now coming to fourth question, whose sum and product is given. Fourth question is 1 comma 1. I mean sum equal to 1, alpha plus beta value 1, as well as alpha beta value also 1 only. X square minus x into alpha plus beta value how much? 1 plus alpha beta value how much? 1 equal to 0. Got it? So x into 1, x only, right? X square minus x into 1, x plus 1 equal to 0. See, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, coming to fifth one. What is the fifth question? Given fifth question is, whose sum is minus 1 by 4 and product is plus 1 by 4. Alpha plus beta value minus 1 by 4, alpha beta value plus 1 by 4. Okay, substitute x square minus x into alpha plus beta value minus 1 by 4 plus alpha beta value 1 by 4 equal to 0. Got it? So x square minus into minus plus x1 jar x by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Here nothing means 1, 1, 4, 4, LCM is 4, 1 4 jar 4 into 4 into 4, 4 1 jar 4 into 1 into 1, 4 1 jar 4 into 1 into 1. So 4 into x square, 4x square plus x into 1 x plus 1 into 1 1 equal to 0. So 4 into 0, 0 only. I mean 4x square plus x plus 1 equal to 4 into 0, 0. Next, last question. Sixth one, 4 comma 1. Sum is how much? Alpha plus beta value is 4 and alpha beta value is 1. Got it? So x square minus x into alpha plus beta value is 4 plus alpha beta value is 1 equal to 0. So x into 4, I mean 4x plus 1 equal to 0. See, now which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, which is also an important 2 marks question. Try to solve each and every sum so that you will get the clear concept. Okay, I hope you understood this session. Thank you.